Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're using a Ryobi drill, you know how important it is to keep the batteries charged and ready to go. But what do all those flashing lights on the Ryobi charger actually mean? Today, I'll break down exactly what each light tells you, so you know when to wait, when to work, and when something has gone wrong. First up, both lights are off. This simply means the charger isn't plugged into the power source. No power, no charging. So let's plug it into the power source. Now the charger is plugged in. You'll see a solid red light. This means the charger has power, but there's no battery inserted. As you can see, it's plugged in. Make sure it's the right way. You can see the shape matches like this. Push it in. You should hear that click. Next, if this was flashing red, this happens when the battery is either too hot, too cold, or deeply discharged. It's not a fault, it's the charger checking things out. If you've just been using the drill heavily, give your battery 30 minutes to cool before charging. Once the battery is good to go, you'll see this solid red light and a flashing green light. This means it's charging. And once we see a solid green light, you're golden. That means the charging is complete and your battery is ready to roll. Now, if both red and green light are flashing together, that's an error. It could mean either the battery or the charger, so the battery or the charger here, is defected. Try removing and reinstalling the battery into the charger. If the error keeps happening, so this red and green are both flashing, try a different battery. Still no luck, the charger might be the issue. And that's it. You now know exactly what the Ryobi charger is trying to tell you. If this has helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more DIY tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.